Alright, today we're going to learn about this painting in architectural abstraction style. Alright, let's run through the colors. Primary yellow, cadmium yellow, dark, quin blue, ultramarine blue, titanium white, Mars black, turquoise phthalo. Alright, we just laid in the green. I'm going to add in a dark purple to contrast this green, and then we'll see where it goes from there. Probably red and blue and contrast from there. Alright, we just added the blue layer, kind of a purple, but it's more bluer in this case, because I added some black, so I think that brought it back to the more to the blue side. So I added some white layer in here to kind of break this up so the next layer will punch through that. Alright, we just added in the white to kind of cut this back. I think I'm going to add the lighter version or darker version of this, which will be a nice phthalo green dark. Alright, we added the yellow layer here and up here. Now what we're going to do is add kind of a light blue that's going to act as a white and cut into this, maybe cut into this as well. So we'll see where it goes from there. this layer we're going to add a dark green to kind of contrast this and pop the paint.
Alright, here we're working on the white area, then the turquoise, and then we'll see where it goes from there.
Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I like in this corner it has this brilliant yellow, and then it goes to a faded yellow, into a lime green, pure turquoise, you got a yellow turquoise, you got this dark blue, dark green, and then I added a little bit of white highlights at the end. Originally in the morning I was thinking of adding maybe a slight faded yellow or orange to make it really pop. And then I thought, well, it doesn't really need it. The white is good enough as far as making it pop, and it's a little more subtle or subdued. It's not so like in your face. So I thought that would be a better way to do the painting. And you know, composition, it works. It's got enough action with like the brush strokes and the splash of the paint. So overall, I think it's ready to go. Hopefully you guys like it. You can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.